Good morning. Hey guys, what's up? It's Steph here. I'm the Secret Slob, and today I'm sharing with you my summer morning routine. It looks a lot the same as my regular routine, but I get to add in a little bit of outside time and some gardening. As you know, I have 3 little kids at home, including a baby. He's 6 months old, and we are super busy. So my routine doesn't always go perfectly well, but I do my best to fit it in as good as possible. Thanks for joining me here. I hope you get motivated to get your morning routine done or start a schedule for yourself. Trust me, it will make everything so much easier.
Good morning. It's 6:30 and I think we should do a morning routine video. We haven't done a day in the lifestyle video in a while, so let's do it. This is me first thing in the morning. I'm gonna get dressed and head out for my walk. Just a quick one. Good morning. We get you dressed? Are you gonna come for a walk? Yeah. Okay, we're heading out for our walk. I've been doing this most mornings this summer and it's just amazing. I've been training for a huge big walk I'm gonna do in a couple weeks here, but I've been loving getting outside and getting the fresh air. I think I'm gonna stick with the morning walks, and I sometimes take a kid or two, sometimes totally by myself. I always listen to a podcast. It's just the best. So this is becoming my favorite part of the morning for sure.
When I get home, I really try to stretch, just prevent all those sore muscles, and then I come in and I make breakfast right away. Okay, so I'm just nursing my baby, the porridge is cooking, my girls are doing their thing. We got a busy morning. I got a lot to clean up, a lot to get done. Let's see if we can do it. I make this breakfast for myself and my kids all the time. It's oatmeal with raisins, apples, peanut butter, a little bit of sugar, and milk, and they love it. It's Monday morning for me, so it's time to fill out my weekly cleaning schedule. If you haven't had a chance to grab one of these, head down to the description. There's a link right there. It's totally free.
Okay, you tired? Yeah, I'm tired. Time for bed for this little nugget. Time for bed for this little nugget, hey? Yeah, he usually has to sleep around 8. So, bedtime.
Okay, baby's in bed, kids are playing independently. It's time to get this checklist checked off. The first thing I do is make my bed. I let it air out while I go for my walk, and then I get it all made. I keep it really simple without any extra pillows, and then it only takes me 30 seconds. Because I usually exercise in the morning, I always shower in the morning. As a stay-at-home mom, I get that it's totally so much easier to stay in pajamas all day, but it's really important for me to get dressed so I feel like I'm ready to go for the day, even though I usually just stay home. Next up on my list is starting a load of laundry. I have a specific laundry schedule that I follow. I only do laundry 5 days a week, 1 small load every day. This way I stay on top of it and I never feel like I have 5 piles of laundry to do on the weekends.
There. You look great.
Because I have little kids at home, I know that my morning routine isn't going to all happen first thing all in a row. I have lots of little breaks where I play with my kids, read to my kids, help them get things, and that's fine. I just keep going wherever I find the times. The last piece of clothing I always put on are my indoor shoes. I wear these to clean around my house. They serve 2 purposes. 1, I feel like I'm ready to go, ready to get work done for the day. And 2, I have little kids. There is crumbs all over my floor, so I don't have to feel little crumbs on my bare feet. We start our dishwasher every night so that in the morning it's all full of clean dishes. I unload those and then I do up the breakfast dishes. There's 1 pan there that was soaking from last night, from dinner. We didn't get to it last night, so I'm cleaning that up. So just getting the kitchen clean first thing in the morning is always a priority for me. I like having clear countertops for the day. Oh, my baby got up, so now he's helping me too. Every day I choose one bathroom to do a quick swish and swipe in. I spray it down with water vinegar mixture I make myself and just give it a quick wipe with a paper towel. I use paper towel because then I give the toilet a wipe and I can just throw it into the garbage.
Okay, so pretty much everything is done from my morning list. I didn't get makeup or hair done. It's just not gonna happen. But I'm gonna get out and work in my garden now while the baby sleeps.
Once I was finished in the garden, I found a few more extra minutes, so I decided to get myself a little bit more ready, do my hair, do a little bit of makeup, just so I feel good. I don't put on a ton of makeup or do anything too fancy. I just find it makes me feel like I really got ready for the day and it makes me feel good. This is another thing I think it's hard for stay-at-home moms to remember to get ready and take care of themselves every day, or at least it was hard for me. And this has made a big difference in my life. And then since I'm up here in the bathroom, I'm just going to give this bathroom a really quick wipe. I love the swish and swipe because it's so fast and keeps your bathrooms clean with such little effort. Okay, so there it is, a morning in my life. It's nowhere near perfect and it's totally crazy and it's, 10:30 and I'm just getting everything done. But the point is, I just check everything off my list on my morning routine every day, and little by little everything gets done. So don't worry about if your house is a mess. Mine's a mess pretty much every day. Don't worry if you just starting today. Don't worry if you've fallen off the wagon. Just get your morning routine done every day, just those 5 or 6 things, and you'll see your house come together faster than you think. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you got motivated from this video to create your own morning routine. And if you haven't had a chance to download the weekly cleaning schedule, it's in the description. Grab it, make it yours, customize it. Just, make sure this is working for you in your life. You don't have to do what I do. Your life probably looks nothing like mine. Or maybe it looks exactly like mine. I don't know. Either way, make this program, this system work for you. I will talk to you very soon. Bye.